go. Rasa Korean dong. Guys, let's take a break from the local food here. Rather, let's try something new. Today we're going to try a Korean buffet restaurant. So, let's go! Tara!
Di sini ada 2 paket, Kak. Yang ini paket premium dan yang ini paket wagyu.
Oh, paket premium sama paket wagyu.
Ya, betul.
Ya, paket premium itu ada ya? Ada apa? Ya, Kak.
Untuk paket premium, dia dagingnya ada 2 macam, yaitu ada shortbread sama rib eye.
Oke.
Kalau yang wagyu, dia ada tambahan wagyu slice dan wagyu cube-nya.
Oke. Today we are here at a buffet or eat all you can Korean restaurant here in Kelapa Gading. And these are the side dishes. Okay, so let's see. We have the pasta, fried chicken. Wow, what's that? Potato, fried potato. We also have meatballs. The tteokbokki. Wow, we're going to try tteokbokki.
Korean apa ya?
Sempol sih.
Sempol. Tofu.
Crispy tofu and lumpia. We'll try this one. Ini apa ya?
Shortbread.
Short plate.
Short bread.
Short plate.
Short plate. This one. Long plate. Ini?
Sama.
This is only
Ini
for
sama.
sama. Okay. So all short plate ya.
Iya, short.
Okay. Then let's get more and let's eat. That one at the bottom. That's caldo tom yum. There you go. This is masak sendiri ya. There you go. Rasa Korean dong.
Is it spicy?
No, it's not really spicy. Yeah, the soup is nice. The short plate, let's try without sauce so we can. Just mild flavor on it.
Yeah, it's just with salt and pepper, usually.
Yeah. So
It's marinated.
It's marinated with salt and pepper. I think very mild flavor. So we need to dip it into sauce. So this is a black pepper sauce. That's really perfect match. The food is nice. The short plate is nice. The black pepper sauce is savory. It really complements the mild flavor of the short plate meat. We have here some side dishes. We have the lumpia. I like lumpia being dipped into any kind of sauce.
It's
So it's turon, or a banana
roll.
okay? But it's okay. I still love it to dip in the sauce. They also have fried rice. So I took a little more of fried rice and the white rice. Delicious. Okay, let's try the barbecue sauce. So this is the barbecue sauce. Really good. So the food is amazing, delicious. So the hint of little spiciness plus the little sour taste of the soup with the mild flavor of the short plate and the sauce really harmonize. It becomes a harmony of flavors. Okay, let's try more. So good, guys. What's the price? It's 89,000 rupiah per person. Wow. Not really bad.
Just right for the price. If you want to experience shabu shabu, grilling experience, Korean experience, if you love Korean food, I think, and you have limited budget, this is a right place for you. You can eat like for 90 minutes, so 1 hour and 30 minutes to enjoy everything. They have from side dishes, main course, they have drinks, dessert, ice cream, fruits, so fine.
Guys, this is tteokbokki, a very famous food in Korea. Wow! Let's try it. Enak sekali. So, tteokbokki is literally translated as stir-fried rice cake. It is made from sticky rice. That's why the texture is very sticky and chewy. And aside from that, it is coated perfectly with the sweet and sour sauce which adds to the taste of this very unique dish. Enak guys. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to TAKAM, road to 1,000 subscribers. And the next time, keep exploring, keep tasting, and keep sharing the love for good food. Until then, happy eating.